When your Aura frame displays a white spinning circle or continuously reboots, it indicates a problem with Wi-Fi connectivity or a stalled software update. Begin by ensuring your Wi-Fi network is stable and that other devices can connect to the internet. Check if your phone, laptop, or other devices are working properly on the same network. Power cycling the frame is a simple first step. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Aura frame. Wait 10 to 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Also, reboot your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. These actions can often resolve minor glitches and re-establish the connection. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your Aura frame's spinning circle issue, we need to try more advanced solutions. First, reset your Wi-Fi connection completely. Next, ensure your Aura app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause connectivity issues and prevent proper communication with your frame. Remove any wireless devices that might interfere with the signal between your router and Aura frame. This includes other electronics, baby monitors, or metal objects that can block Wi-Fi signals. If problems persist, perform a hardware reset. This will erase all photos and settings, but it often resolves persistent software issues. After holding the reset button, you'll see a factory data reset message on the screen. The frame will restart and display a pairing code, ready for setup. Open the Aura app and select New Frame to re-add your device. This won't create a duplicate, but will re-establish the connection with your reset frame. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Aura Customer Care. Provide your frame model, app version, and a detailed description of the issue for the most effective assistance.